Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 2010 Land Rover Defender 110 TDCi XS Station Wagon 7-seater you can see behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Defender. All the warning lights come on as they should. That noise you can hear in the background is the aircon because it's quite a warm day today. And everything goes out as it should. No clutch rattle. And the gear lever is staying stationary, which when the clutch is dying on these, the gear lever does all that. That one is supposed to move, not that one. Yeah, there we go. Next up, we'll show you one of the show you idling. 2.4 TDCi motor here with the aircon running. It's doing what it's supposed to. Just getting on with the job. There we have it. Okay, here we are out in this Defender TDCi XS Station Wagon, showing, let's say 60, we always round it up a bit, hasn't quite done 70,000 miles yet, let's say 69,800, and driving absolutely spot on, including nice cold aircon because it's a warm day today and it's I'm staying cool in here with the aircon on. Yeah, just gets on with the job. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Clutch and gearbox both feel nice. There's no clutch rattle, no gearbox issues. Letting my foot off the throttle sharply. There's no big clonks in the drivetrain. It's steering where it should, not having to fight it down the road. Into fifth. It just drives exactly the way it should. Into sixth. A little bit of tyre noise, but that's not unusual with these quite aggressive tyres it's got on it. But rides nicely, there's no sinister noises, bangs, clunks or anything like that. Over the big bump. Cope very well with that. Brakes nicely. There we go, all good. Yeah, drives absolutely spot on. I like it.